It's me, that vegan teacher, and I am back. It is summer break, and the best way to kick off summer is with the new summer Causebox. So I'm gonna unbox it here. My goal for the summer is to get a lot more videos out, but we'll see what happens because of course I'm still working because teachers, we don't really get the summer off. It just looks like we do. I've been hiding from the Causebox Instagram for the last couple of days because they've started doing spoilers. So here we go. I pre-cut because y'all have seen me cut. But we'll open it up. There's the inside. Ooh. And here's our little good news pamphlet. So let's take a look at this. So here's our good news pamphlet for the month. And I'm going to go through and look at everything now. So they released a couple of kind of spoilers early. So I knew I was getting this bag and this water bottle. So I'm glad mine came in blue. I was hoping for either blue, the blue one or the white one. Because there's a pink one, but I just don't really wear any pink. I mean, my closet's right behind me. Can't really see any of the clothes, but looking through it the other day, it's like all black and hunter green and rose gold. So, well, what are you gonna do? So this is the one that I got. I got the blue one, and they've shown it on there so it can be a fold-over clutch. And on the inside, sorry, I'm kind of losing my voice. On the inside, there's a chain, so you can attach it to these little loopies here and then wear it as like a crossbody bag. I think it's really cute. It's actually really big. So this is from Tribe Alive. So ethically made in India. Tribe Alive. Yeah, it's really big. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, so that's good. So that is the first thing. And then the second thing that I knew, because they have a new, Causebox has a new thing where you can, if you're like a yearly subscriber, you can pick, kind of like Fab Fit Fun does. But the other thing that I knew I would get, I'm glad this one's blue too, is this water bottle. And this one is the plastic one, right? Ooh, it's from Seattle. Okay, sorry. Yes, but is this water bottle and you, oh, the lid stays on. Did you see how excited I got about that? That's so cool. Oh, it's got a thing in it. I'm gonna have to figure out how that closes. But this one is from, it's easy clean, I love it. So it's from D-Still, a company called D-Still, and at least on the bottom, it is telling me that it is BPA free. It is a 28-ounce water bottle, which is always good. And it's made via the Chefin Corporation in Seattle, Washington. Like it already. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get really good at that. But it's a plastic water bottle and it's blue. It's really cute too. So yeah, so I knew I was getting this too. The next thing that I see in here are Karuna face masks. These are antioxidant fiber face masks. Ooh, they're green tea. Ooh. Okay, they look like this. Sorry, I was reading them. So here are these. I don't know if these are cruelty-free, actually. There's not like the little bunny on here. So I'm gonna have to look and see if they're cruelty-free. Not sure that they're vegan either. So we'll have to look that up. But I would assume if it's in Causebox, it's cruelty-free, but you never know. So I'm gonna put that on the things to look up list. Also, there's something from Zoya. Oh, I know what these are because I accidentally watched a spoiler this morning. Zoya, which is a nail polish company. So this is the Big 5 free. So they're 3 nail polishes. I'll have to check if these are cruelty free as well. I'm not sure. These are the 3 colors. So there's a white, a tan, and then this one, it kind of looks, I'm seeing it on here and it looks red, but in real life it's more of like a pinky red. It's closer to pink than it is to like a deep red, I guess. But I'm gonna have to, I'll put these in my things to look up pile as well, and I will update everyone with if they are cruelty free or vegan. Hopefully in the comments below if I can figure out how to do that. Now here's, oh, I think this is jewelry from Kivia, who knows? Oh, I saw this one too. I should never go on the internet when these come out. So this is, yeah, it's a long, like lariat, I believe, style necklace with little tassels on the bottom. So it's gold. Mine is gold and white, which is good because that will go with more stuff. Cute. Into necklaces. Speaking of necklaces, the ones that I'm wearing are from Jewels by SJB. So they're really cute. They came with another one. They're a layering set, and I really like them. So they're really cute. Here's the postcard that comes, and it matches, it matches the inside of the box. This is cute. I like this. Actually, I might just frame this and put it up. That'd be cute. Yeah. Gallery wall. And it looks like the last thing we've got in here, oh wait, no, there's more. But the biggest thing left that we've got in here is this Turkish towel, which is made from 100% GOTS certified organic cotton. GOTS. I'll just say the acronym because I'm a millennial and that's what we do, right? But I got the yellow one, which is great because I love yellow. So it looks like this. It's got little tassels on it. And I think it can function as like a scarf or, oh, cool. Or kind of, I don't know. It's cute though. Maybe like a blanket. Maybe a background for Instagram pictures. We'll see. So I like this. What else is in here? Okay, paper that I'll reuse because ain't nobody got time to buy white, whatever this paper is called. I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh, wrap this up good. Oh, shower oil. I don't know what it is. It's a fridge. Okay. Transforms into a delicate foam that cleanses the body. Enriched with almond oil. So, this guy. Ooh. So we'll have to see if that one's cruelty free too. But that's everything in this summer's Causebox. I'm gonna call it a win. If you want to see what the things are, I'll hopefully figure out how to link them below because I'm still learning. I'm obviously like not getting paid or anything to do this, but if you want to go look at the stuff, I'll find it and I'll link it if you're like, oh, maybe I do want to try that. And I'll also post if these makeup products are indeed cruelty free, because we'll have to see. 'Cause if they're not, I'm gonna have to get rid of them because homie don't play that game. That's not my catchphrase. Thank you so much for joining me today to unbox the summer Causebox. Please, if you liked what you saw, like this video. Please subscribe because more videos are coming soon. Thank you for being patient. And I will see you another day. Yep. I'll see you later. All right. That was a bad start.